welcome to my channel. It's Porsha Marie here, and we're back with another makeup video. Today we will be playing in some new makeup. So if you want to see how I got this face, this new lip, this new blush, continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get on with the video. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started playing in this makeup. I got a new primer. This is a moisturizing cream, and this is by MAC. This is the Hyper Real Skin Canvas Balm. Show y'all how it looks. Y'all ready for spring? Y'all see I got my spring color on. My face is already clean. So we're just gonna go in with this. It feels really good. It has a slight smell, but nothing too noticeable. Okay, and this is how the skin is looking. Next, I'm gonna go in with my favorite primer, and this is the e.l.f. primer with Niacinamide. And it's gonna give you that really tacky, sticky base for your products to have something to stick on to. Since we are going in with some new products, I haven't tried this product in a while, so we're just going to go ahead and go in with this Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin in the shade 18G, because I am going to be trying her cream blush today, and we're going to see how that looks on our skin. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. I'm going to add a little bit more because I do want a little bit more coverage. I'm going to go in with a brush. Okay, then I'm just going to go over it with my sponge to press everything into the skin. Okay, so I just went in with the MAC. This is a new moisturizer. This is the Hyper Real Skin Canvas Balm, and I just went in with the Yummy Skin foundation in the shade 18G. Now we're gonna try out a new concealer. Okay, so this is the Black Radiance one. This is a True Complexion Longwear concealer. Looks like this. Oh, it's very creamy. This is the shade, what is this, light to medium? This is the shade light to medium. And in Thread Beauty, this is Tan Deep 06. And we're gonna swatch it right beside it. Okay, so this is Thread Beauty and this is Black Radiance. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna apply Thread Beauty first, right here under the eyes. And this is going to be our highlight shade. Everywhere we highlight, this is where I'm going to put this. Then we're going to use the Black Radiance. And this is what we're going to blend into. So we're going to use this right here. Okay, so this is how the face is looking right now. Okay, we're going to go ahead and blend out these concealers. This Thread Beauty one looks really good. I'm gonna go onto my eyelid, over it. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze with the Tarte Sculpt tape. And I'm just gonna take a little brush. Oop. And I'm gonna blend that out, going upward. I'm still going in with this product. And I'm just going to blend it out just a little bit. That looks really good. We're going to use this foundation brush and go back over everything. In with Huda and Blondie, and we're just going to set the base. Everywhere we put that concealer. Then we're going to go in with the House's Labs bronzer in the shade Deep Level 11, Deep 11. And we're going to bronze the nose. Then we're going to bronze the cheeks. I'm gonna go in with my Nude Persuasion palette. I haven't in a while, so I'm like, why not? We're gonna go in with this brown color down here. And we're just gonna place this in the crease. Okay, we got that color down, right on the lid. And we're just going to spread that out. If you haven't got this palette, what are y'all doing? This palette is so pigmented. It's black owned. Y'all should try this palette out. I'm gonna go in with the brown. You don't need a lot to go on this outer V. Then we're gonna go on this eye as well. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. Then we're going to flip the other side of the brush over, and we're going to go in with this lighter shade, and we're just going to put that right in the front. Huda Beauty. Okay, y'all, I got my eyelashes on. I have not worn Sculpt lashes in a minute. And look how much better I look. So good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go in. Oh, we got to try the blush. Okay, start of the show. We're about to go in with this Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm. I have mine in the shade Golden Hour. This has 6 grams of product in it. Ooh. And I think you're just supposed to tap it, rub it. Oh, this feels so soft, y'all. So soft. So I think you're supposed to tap it on your cheeks and go up. Rub it, then tap. I'm gonna try it with like a little bit of a dense brush where it can pick up the product and place on the cheeks. Okay, so a little of this goes a long way. This packaging is so cute. You see the color, it's bronze, it's just her thing. And then you just press it out. Okay, y'all see that flush of color? This is Golden Hour by Danessa Myricks. I'm gonna go ahead and set the face. I'm setting the face with the Fenty Beauty. So I am gonna go over this with the powder. And we're gonna see if it peeks through. This looks very cute. And if your nose contour is too strong, you can blend that out at the moment. Okay, let me see. This looks so cute, y'all. It just looks like it's coming from within. I like it. I have to go get me another shade, because this will be for like my extra days. See how this concealer is holding up a-okay. This is mainly I went in with the Thread Beauty concealer in the shade Tan Deep. This is my highlight shade. Then I went in with the Black Radiance in light to medium to blend it out, and it looks so good, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with this palette and go back in with that brown color. This is this color, the third row. And go underneath my eyes. I haven't played in makeup in a while, y'all. I'm like, let's do it. Let's play in makeup today. Let's see. Been to Ulta. I do have a new lip liner. It was new to me. It might not be new to y'all. This is in the shade Brownie. I think this one is a little deeper than Cola. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, and I do have a new lip gloss, but I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. lip gloss that I've been liking. This is No Doubt. Okay, so No Doubt is on the lips. Now I'm gonna go in with this Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss by Covergirl. I have mine in this shade Sugar Poppy. It's very yummy, juicy. Everything you need in a gloss, y'all. Very moisturizing. So if y'all see these, pick them up. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with the Super Dewy. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go in with this highlighter. Rare Beauty, you know, she is the girl who gets the girls. Today is my mother's-in-law birthday, so I already did my makeup for later, for when I see her. And already did my makeup. Happy birthday, mother-in-law. I have to remember I used to blend up my highlighter. y'all, this is how the face is looking. Let me zoom y'all in. This is how the face is looking. Put a little bit more light on your hair. It looks really good. You know that the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Foundation looks already good by itself. I got the new blush, Golden Hour. I have this new concealer. Also the Black Radiance concealer. Y'all should try these products out and tell me if y'all like them down below. Don't forget this new Persuasion palette. Look at my eye. Look at my eyes. Looks so good. Okay.